5 new fingerprint scanners have been added around the school. The new security system is said to keep our students safe during school hours.
So what happened is through our surveys, our parent surveys, student surveys, staff surveys, one thing that was noted, like I said, was just lack of security in the building. And so once we figured out that we needed to address that, we reached out to different schools and different companies to see what they had available for us. And we just thought the printing was easiest. There were lanyards we could have done with cards, but you lose those. It was like $25 to replace. And kids lose a lot of things these days, as well as adults, and we just would hate to go that route. Number one, you're safer. Heaven forbid we'd ever have a problem. This would give us more time to react to a major issue if indeed we had an intruder. So we have front doors. We have the 100 hallway, which is between the old gym and the kitchen. We have the 400 hallway, which is between the girls' lot, it's the girls' lot. North doors by the freshmen, and then the auditorium doors. And then we have band doors as well. And you need to see Natalie in the central office. I think we're really close. Yeah, for those left, we still need to have them come in and do it with Natalie.
All students who have yet to register for the new fingerprint system, the front office is assisting with the process.
They just need to come into the office and tell me that they need to get their fingerprint in the system, and it'll only take us about 3 minutes. The best time would be probably in the middle of a class, maybe towards the end when they have their work completed. They can ask their teacher if they can come on down. We do have a new schedule now where even if you have your fingerprint in, if you have to go to the parking lot or anything, then you still have to ring the doorbell so that I know that you're out there and that you have to come in and still check in here in the office. We're still working out all those kinks, but we should have it up and going and ready for operation real soon.